Hello, this is Dr. Divya Madan from Soulful Living LLC.com. You are here means that you definitely are going through some issues in your life and you are not finding any solution to it. There are no medicines out there which can fix your chronic issue. There's no medicine out there which can fix your financial issues or your relationship issues, right? And you are frantically looking for solution. So yes, you are at the right place. So how do we approach these issues? Now we have thousands of clients who were suffering from chronic issues, from diabetes to cancer, relationship issues, not able to get married, or not finding the right partner, or if they had the partner, they were sulking in that relationship. Everything fixed the way it should have been fixed. And many people suffering from financial situations, unable to retain job or not able to work the way they wanted, not finding the right opportunities, not having supportive people around them. Then there were issues like emotional issues like sadness, ADHD related issues, not feeling happy at all, even if everything was looking good. So it became very important that we need to have like a better solution than what is available. Just to let you know, all our clients are people who come to us after trying everything possible, because most of us are very intelligent people and we believe in science. And even myself, I have a bachelor's in physics, a master's in computer applications, and later I studied Ayurveda, Chinese medicine, integrative nutrition, and bachelor's, master's, and finally PhD in metaphysics. And I specialized in metaphysical counseling. So the people who think they understand science better and they want to believe in Western medicine, which is good in a way. But again, like every other solution, it is also not a complete science. Then we have Chinese medicine, we have Ayurvedic medicines. So those ancient sciences were ignored, and doctors never suggested what to eat or how to think. They would just prescribe a medicine and it will take care of the symptoms but not the root cause. So sometimes it is like mild issues which is caused by the environmental situation, they would get cured. But the chronic issues, it will not get cured by itself. It will just be suppressed. And then we have this ancient medicinal techniques who continuously talked about the mind or the emotions being the root of the symptoms that we are experiencing. For example, both Ayurveda and Chinese medicine agree that anger is the cause of liver not functioning properly. So most of the people who are into say alcohol addiction have liver not functioning properly. And when it's not functioning properly, obviously, it will not be communicating with the brain or the other organs as it should be. So which is called meridians communication, like the meridians are not functioning properly because right kind of communication is not happening. So when the communication is distorted, then there's a conflict. And the person starts getting angry and he's in conflict with everything around him. They will be in conflict with their family members, or they could be in conflict with their work environment. There will be conflict with any other situation in their life, friends, family, whatsoever. So how do we address it? So we all agree now that most of the issues has emotional backing or the experiences we had in our past life. It could be, so right now, even if you do not believe in previous life, the similar situation will definitely come as a pattern in this life too. Although we have several experiments around life between lives, past life regressions, and there are many proofs that we have previous lives too. And I am a believer of that. as I found lots of my problems in this life coming from my previous life and the situations. And so I had experience for many lives before. But even if you do not believe me, there are so many, like Abraham Hicks and there are companies in many places, like the hypnotherapists. They have always found people regressing into their past lives and start talking about the previous life situations. And but again, I wanted something which has like pen and paper right in front of us. So regression, yes, it is good. The good part is, like, with me, I was born with a ESP, like a premonitions. I was born with the premonitions, and over the period of time while I was kept working on it, on various healing and meditations modalities, I kept working and meditating on a regular basis, and all of a sudden I started seeing things which felt like, oh my God, I see things which is beyond. And after working for many years with friends, family, and getting like a miraculous experiences, miraculous healing of the people. And some of them I have also mentioned in my book, Demystifying Love, the Saga of Unknown. So those are like stories of real life healing stories, and what I understood from all my experience. So it's like a summary of my healing experiences throughout. So then in my hand came this software which could scan the whole of human body and their mind. It also indicated life journey. So it would indicate like the challenges, the archetypes, the personality, where they need to work on, what should be their affirmations. So that everything this software could get only by 15 seconds of voice scan. And I was amazed, and I decided to invest in this software. And I thought, like, what I can do without any of this, probably it would get supplemented by the software. So I started working on it, and just in last 1 year I worked with 888 people. And all these scans that I went through, and it just kept amazing me that what great information it was passing. It is beneficial for understanding if you are having a financial issues, if you are having the physical issues, or if you are having a spiritual issue, or if you are having a relationship issue. So everything was depicted, that where we are blocking ourselves physically. So how the organs are functioning, how the meridians are functioning, how the mind is functioning, what is the correlation of mind and body, acupressure points. It will also give you the nutrition, the diet, your sensitivities, the vitamins that you need or you're lacking, and the whole gamut of life journey screens, that what change you're looking for. Where are you standing in your hero's journey from being ordinary to extraordinary? Every life has to go from ordinary to extraordinary. Where we are stopping. So all of this information in one place. This was like a life changing for my clients and myself. And then I added my ESP abilities, like extrasensory perception abilities, that I can see beyond. So I have attached 2 case studies, like these 2 people came to me, and in one day, like back-to-back sessions. So I recorded it for you to understand that so there was a point that I started working on, and for one person, he's going through financial issue, and the acupressure point was talking about lumbar spine acupressure point, and the lumbar spine acupressure points, the definition was exactly like not feeling comfortable in their financial situation. The other person came to me that he is lacking love in his life, in the form of that he is not having children, and I did not know anything about his knee pain or anything, but acupressure points was accurately showing the knee joints needs to be healed, and lungs and thoracic regions. So everything fell in place. Like, this is how your life is, like as if like the life is laid down in front of you, and now we have to fix it. So we have a couple of ways to fix it. One, I am a firm believer of cosmic healing. Even without any of the tools, people were getting miraculous healing results with cancer, with diabetes, with ADHDs, many results. But now with this tool, I also have this tool, a device which will correct the frequency. So I surrogate it and do the distant healing. And third is infoceuticals, the medicine which goes with it. And it is also optional. If we really feel the need of it, we do it. That definitely brings the chances of you feeling better in wherever you're lacking in your life, 100%. So this is where you are. And if you're looking for a life coach or a health coach or a financial coach, this is the place. We work on various issues, be it your household, which is like vibrating at a low level and everybody is feeling sick. It could be your house, it could be your ancestors, it could be entities, it could be toxins, it could be many things that have been impacting you. And in just 10 weekly sessions, you will not only get healed, but you will learn so many things. Like it will open a door to a new world to you. And testimonials are out there. You can check it out. I am very confident that anybody with any kind of situation and they're feeling stuck, want to come out of it, we will definitely take care of them and lead you to your highest of the highest, purposeful, meaningful life. So see you all, book a session, and we can go from there. You all take care. Have a wonderful day.